After finding a clear work area, engage the brakes. Then, using a 10 gauge 50-foot extension cord, plug in and power up the unit. Raise the mast by pushing the mast lock handle forward. Hold the mast lock handle in the forward position and press the raise button on the main control panel. Select the appropriate size follow bar for the size of conduit you plan to bend. Make sure the follow bar is installed correctly. The rear end of the follow bar has 2 right angle tabs. The front end of the follow bar has 1 right angle tab. Insert the end with the 2 right angle tabs first, so that end is pointing towards the rear of the bender. Next, select the corresponding bending shoe and install it through the main mast. Like the follow bar, make sure the shoe is oriented correctly. The end of the colored size plate faces forward. Also, make sure you install the shoe pin in the correct hole at the top of the bending shoe. If you are bending EMT conduit, install the pin in the EMT hole. Check the side of the shoe and you'll see an arrow pointing to the hole for EMT conduit. If you are bending IMC or rigid conduit, use the other hole. There is also a label on the cylinder fork that identifies the correct hole for each type of conduit. Now your Southwire MHB4000 hydraulic bender is ready to bend.